Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's me, the exotic traveler. So guys, what's in my hands? Yes, finally, Apple AirPods Pro. Yes, I grabbed them from the Apple Store UAE. So we can do the unboxing and setup of my Apple AirPods Pro with my iPhone 11 Pro Max Space Gray. Before that, please can you like and subscribe to my channel, the exotic traveler. So you can see here the box of my Apple AirPods Pro. Now let's go ahead and open up the box. Yes, this. Okay, let's start unboxing, guys. Yes, it's very smooth. Okay guys, so we have the box in our hands now. Okay, and at the back we have Apple AirPods with wireless charging case, and in different languages we have also. This is the textured logo of the Apple AirPods Pro. So let's open up the box. Here we go. Yes, so we have the small booklets here. We can take it out. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, let's take a look what's inside. Is the Apple AirPods Pro. So here we have our Apple AirPods Pro. We're gonna connect it with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's the Max version, and we take it out like this. You can see this. Yes, we take a look at this after. First we check what's in the box. So here we have the different sizes of earpieces. So yes, these are my earpieces of different sizes, the small one and large one. And I guess I'm assuming right that the medium one inside the wireless charging case with the Apple AirPods Pro. Well, I'm putting this aside. The next thing we have is our USB-C to Lightning cable, right? You can see it. Let's open this, guys, for you. Yes, you can see it's with the USB and the Lightning connector to charge our wireless charging case. Okay guys, so let's put all these aside. So now we have our Apple AirPods Pro. So let's take off this plastic off. So that's our Apple AirPods Pro now in our hands with the LED indicator here. Okay, here we have the Lightning port for charging of our Apple AirPods Pro. Here we have the button here. We have to open this up now. Okay, that's working now. That's our Apple AirPods Pro, the LED light indicating immediately. Alright, now take them out and take a look at the shape and tips. Okay guys, so here we have our Apple AirPods Pro. You can see the shape of it's very easy to wear on the ears. It's this touch sensibility and the mics as well. Here we have the silicone earpiece, and we have the medium size. Let me check in my ears. Yes, I guess medium is perfect for my ears. So guys, here we have our phone with us, and we have the Apple AirPods Pro. Let's open up the case. As you can notice, the animation starts of Apple AirPods Pro on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can just simply tap on the connect. There we have the media control, the noise control, to switch between noise cancellation and the transparency. These are the instructions. We have the control center, slide bar, and this one. You can announce the messages through Siri without having to unlock your phone. To use the announce message with Siri, turn off allow Siri when logged in settings. Okay, we set up it later. Apple AirPods Pro, you can see it's turned on, and the wireless charging case battery level is 50%, and right one battery is 82%, and the left one is 55%. Okay, so that's a quick setup, and we can see the noise controls. It's off right now, and we can do the transparency. We can do off as well, and also the noise cancellation. But for the noise cancellation, you can see place both AirPods in your ear to use noise cancellation. So noise control, we have to wear both the AirPods Pro in our ears. Ear tip fits as okay. We're gonna do its ear tip. Let's start. Yeah, the medium one is totally fits in my ears. Okay, done. You can see that Apple AirPods Pro, it suddenly came. When you close it, it goes off. It's very quickly connects and disconnects with your phone. I bought something else with this. I can show you how to protect your AirPods Pro. I also bought a case for my Apple AirPods Pro, so you can see how easily I can use it and how beautiful it is. Open it, and it's really cool, guys. You can see here we have the opening for the charging. Here we have the LED indicator. Let's open this and check how it works. You can see how immediately it connects, and it looks also beautiful in this case, and it's disconnect. Thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing and setup of my Apple AirPods Pro with my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Space Gray. If you like my video, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel, The Exotic Traveler. You can see here, you can subscribe it. Yeah. See you guys in some next unboxing videos. Allah Hafiz.